Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a Trust Wallet app, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Trust Wallet app on your phone. We're gonna open it up with our Face ID for our security purpose that we have enabled, and once we have opened, this is how the interface gonna pop up, which includes send, receive, buy, sale, and history, which pretty much everything that we need to know about how to use your Trust Wallet. We go to send, where we will be able to send our cryptos to another wallet of ours by simply pasting the address. One thing, and we can also choose to go to the receive, where we will be able to check out all the tokens that we have and the networks, and once we tap on them, we will find our address, which we can copy and send other people for them to send us that particular crypto. And this is the buy section. If you want to buy anything, again, we're simply gonna go ahead, choose that particular crypto for us, and we're gonna enter the amount, but you have to make sure that your wallet is loaded so you can buy that amount worth of that particular cryptocurrency on your Trust Wallet. Next goes to sale. Once you have, you're gonna simply choose the amount, and the worth of it will be shown on the right side, so you can check it out if it's available for you to sell or not. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and add in the amount worth you would like to sell and put it on the market. Right now, the same goes for the history, where you will be able to check out all of your transaction history, buying, selling, and everything, including the network. You can change it to the network by going to any particular crypto, so check out their particular history and you're good to go. Now once you have done this, is how your crypto will be listed right over here. You can always manage your crypto and add and remove them anytime you want. Now when we go to discover section, we will be able to check out the features, decks, and simply the new information given by the Trust Wallet itself. If we go to earn section, it will simply let us know the amount, how much it has increased, and which can guide us to earning more. And if we go to the simply swap option, where we will be able to swap our coins to any other coins if you like. For example, if I need Bitcoin more, if I have Lena, then I will just tap on it and swap it to Bitcoin by tapping on the swap, and I'm good to go. That's how I can do that. And the next thing goes to the home section. I can go to the settings of mine. I can simply check out the QR code of security preferences, where I will be able to change my passwords and add further security for my wallet itself. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.